Hello. In this presentation, we are going to review how to install Durabath Natural Stone. Rebath's natural stone panels are made from natural marble or travertine stone. They are adhered to a three-part engineered backer. This backing has 2 layers of aluminum alloy and 1 layer of plastic. This adds strength and support to the slab. We are going to look at 5 key areas of the installation process for natural stone. You can access the installation guide we will review through RB Academy. Material handling is important with natural stone. To carry stone, use the upright, vertical, or flat horizontal technique. Both techniques will ensure you minimize the risk of cracking the stone panel. Transporting panels should be done properly to minimize the risk of damage as well. Panels should be stacked largest to smallest. Add a protective barrier in between each panel when stacking. Properly secured to avoid panel shifting and cracking during transporting. Luan templating allows you to create the shape and size of the panel for accurate cutting. You will template the outer perimeter of the wall or ceiling first. Then template any cutouts like lights, plumbing, and/or accessories. You may have to add some additional Luan strips to create stability in the template before taking it out to the panel. It is important to have pre-cut Luan strips and hot glue readily available for installation. Templating cannot be done for every wall at once. You must template and install the panel before moving to another wall. For floor to ceiling panels, you will need to start with the ceiling panel first, then move to the soap dish wall. For 3/4 systems, you will start with the soap dish wall before moving to the sidewalls. Here we will look at installing the ceiling panel. This is the first section to be installed in floor to ceiling systems. After you have templated your ceiling, you will cut the panel. Mark your panel and cut the stone using your fess tool. The cut edge of the panel will have sharp burrs. Use the deburring tool to clean that edge. Clean the panel with your denatured alcohol solution and dry fit before installing. Apply a bead of thermal expansion sealant, also known as TESS, per the Durabath installation guide. Press panel into place and ensure no ripples or bows are left in the panel. Use a cargo brace to secure the panel while installing wall panels. It is important to note that your panel should acclimate to the home. It is best to bring those panels inside for the process soon after you arrive at the customer's home. When installing wall panels, you will always install the soap dish wall first. Clean the wall and panel with denatured alcohol. You should also identify any imperfections in the wall and flatten before installing the panel. You will clean the panel with your DNA solution and dry fit like you did with the ceiling panel. After, apply TESS per the installation guide and put the panel into place. Fess will also be applied to the perimeter seams where another panel meets. Make sure you clean any excess fess once the panel is in place. You will follow the same procedures for templating and installing when you move to the sidewalls. Use a cargo brace for the sidewalls to prevent bowing while the panel cures to the wall. When installing the natural stone on the shower floor, you will use either the 4-cut shower or single slope method. Here we will look at the 4-cut installation method, which is used for left, center, or right place drains. You will template the drain per the installation guide and make the necessary cuts. When installing the panels, you will want to start with the panel closest to the soap dish wall. Use TESS to secure the panels. Fess will be utilized along the perimeter of each panel. Clean up all excess fess right away. Utilize cargo braces to secure the panels overnight while it cures. The sloped method will be utilized for all linear drains. This method follows the same instructions as installing a wall panel. Caulking your installation is an important finishing detail of the project. It ensures you have sealed all areas that could trap moisture and give a clean look to the project. Clean each joint with DNA solution, then apply a bead of Fess. Fess is utilized for all panel edges and accessories. Once you have applied Fess, spray a light mixture of soap and water on the bead. This will allow for a smooth bead without any buildup or depressions when finishing. Take your Fugenboy finishing tool to create a consistent caulk line and remove any excess Fess.